just reset your phone.
Hold the cup up and he'll come.
Here's one. Mommy will help you do yours.
You can give it to her.
Okay, who's going to help Andrew?
Don't spill it. Andrew. What do you say? Thank you, Uncle Kevin.
Here, why don't you use my camera to film and I'll help them. Since I'm the one that's less likely to freak out.
That's a better idea.
It's recording right now.
Careful, want me to hold it so it doesn't spill?
Come here. Come here.
Aww.
Too quickly. Come here.
Kevin, go over.
Nah, I'm moving too quick. Come on.
Daddy was so smart, he held out his arm. Drew, do the same thing Daddy did. Doesn't want to go near Brody.
I think I'm moving too quick. Brody.
Bird. That bird wants some, Daddy. Look, Uncle Kevin got one too, Dev.
Come here.
They don't hurt, Devin. They want the fruit. Now I don't know how to take a picture with this.
Just keep it recording video.
I want to take a picture. I don't have anything, Birdie. I don't have anything.
Can I have a cup?
Here, come here.
I need a cup.
You want a cup?
Yeah.
Here, Drew.